Today I will be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube with the beginner method. And if it takes a while to memorize everything needed, that's okay. First step is to scramble it. Okay, so after your cube is scrambled, what you want to do is solve these pieces, okay? And make sure they line up with their centers. So, you see that blue piece there? It's actually flipped, so what I would do is move it away, bring it up, and put it there. So now we can just do that to solve it. Now we can do that with all of them. And just align them with their centers as you go. And put them around the white centerpiece. Wait, where is this white pen? Okay, we found it. Okay. So after you do that, you want to solve these corners. So we have a twist here, so bring it up, push the top like that, then bring it down. Then we put it between their centers and bring the right up, put the corner in, and do it down. And so let's just keep on repeating that. Okay, so we got a case where the corner was sticking up, so this time what you would do is start it the same, but do the top twice, then push it down, and just solve it like regular. And now we can do this with all the corners, and that's the first layer done. Okay, so now we look for edge pieces that don't have white on them, and edge pieces are these pieces, not these pieces, okay? So we put the front part of the edge piece matching with its center. So for this, we're going to need an algorithm, so we move it away, bring this up, put it back, bring it down, rotate there, then we push that way, then just solve it like you're solving a first layer corner. Okay. Okay, so if we want to swap that edge piece with that edge piece, you bring that twice, do that twice, and just repeat it until the edges solve. Move it away, bring that up. Okay, so that's the first two layers solved. And now we want to solve the top with, now we want to orient these edges. Okay, so if you get the line case like this, you turn the front like that, but don't turn the back. Okay. Then we bring that up, move that away, bring that down, and just okay? And I will show you what happens if you get a different case. Okay, so we got this case. So now it starts the same, but then we turn the top, bring the right up, turn the top like that, bring the right down, and do that. And if you don't have any edges facing up, then just do one of those two algorithms. Then just do one of those algorithms to solve the rest. Okay, so now what we want to do is try to get it into this case. And I will have a more advanced video on this, but if you have this case for the top, this is the algorithm that you would want to repeat over and over again if you don't have it. Bring the right like that, bring the top like that, bring the right down, bring the top like that, bring the right up, then turn the top twice, then the top should be solved. So now we're on to the last step. So if we have the two matching like this, we put them on the side and do something like this. Now I'm going to try to get a different case so I can show you what you would do for the other one. Okay, so if we don't have the two matching, then that means we have to swap them diagonally. So that corner goes here, and this corner goes here. So now what we would do is this. So now turn the front like that, bring the right up, turn the top like that, bring the right down, bring the top like that, turn the right up, bring the top like that, and do that, okay? So that's the first part. So then we do this, then we do this. And now we're on to the last step, and there is 4 cases for this last step. So for this case, we have that one needs to come there, and that one needs to go there. So the algorithm to solve this goes a little like this. And that would solve that case. And if you get a case like this, where this edge needs to swap with that one, and this edge needs to swap with that one, the shortest one I know, it goes like this. And now I'm going to categorize these next ones as the same, so if we have a 3-edge swap like this, we bring the middle like that, put the wrong edge there, then bring the middle down, top twice, middle up, top once like that, then just do the middle twice. And then if you followed correctly, then you should have your cube solved. And there is one more case for the middle layer that I will show you right now. So that is where you have a flipped edge like this. So what you would do is bring the right up, top like that, bring the right down, then bring the right like that, rotate, then solve the corner. Then we just have this case, which I showed you the algorithm from earlier, but if you don't remember it, it goes like bring it away, bring the side like that, bring it back, bring the side back down, turn the top like that, and just solve that like you're solving a corner. And that is pretty much it for the tutorial. I might make an example solve video on even more cases if you couldn't follow along. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day. Bye guys.